Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best Thunderbolt 4 docking stations review. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. Hagibis PU0701A Docking Station. Hagibis 100W GON Docking Station is a versatile 6-in-1 USB Type-C hub designed for fast charging and multi-device connectivity. It features a powerful 100W GON charger that supports simultaneous charging of up to 3 devices alongside 4K at 60Hz HDMI video output for high-definition display expansion with a 2.5G Ethernet port and compatibility with Thunderbolt 3 and 4. This hub ensures ultra-fast network connections and broad device support. Ideal for users of laptops, gaming consoles like Steam Deck and Nintendo Switch, tablets, and mobile devices. It functions both as a docking station for connecting peripherals such as keyboards, mice, and external drives, and as a standalone fast charger, helping keep workspaces clean and efficient across various usage scenarios. Number 4. Minisopuru MD6950D-US DisplayLink Docking Station. The Minisopuru 15-in-1 USB-C DisplayLink docking station is a powerful and versatile hub designed to expand your laptop's capabilities with triple 4K monitor support, comprehensive connectivity, and fast charging. Equipped with 15 ports, including HDMI, DisplayPort, USB-C, USB-A, Ethernet, and SD, TF card readers, it allows seamless connection of multiple devices and peripherals. The included 140-watt power adapter delivers up to 85 watt to charge your laptop and additional power for phones or tablets simultaneously. Compatible with a wide range of devices, including MacBook M1, M2, Windows, Thunderbolt 3 of 4 and USB-C laptops. This docking station overcomes typical display limitations via the DisplayLink driver and ensures smooth multitasking and data transfer with speeds up to 10 GB per second. Ideal for professionals and creatives. It enhances productivity by supporting multiple high-resolution displays and fast data access, all within a sleek and efficient design. Number 3. Vention TPFH0 Thunderbolt 4 Dock. This Vention Thunderbolt unlock the full potential of your workspace with the Vention 14-in-1 Thunderbolt 4 Dock, designed for both Windows and Mac users who demand speed, versatility, and high-resolution display capabilities. This powerhouse dock features Thunderbolt 4 technology with blazing 40 gigabits per second data transfer speeds, fully compatible with USB 4 and Thunderbolt 3 standards, ensuring seamless connectivity with the latest devices. Experience stunning visuals with support for up to 4 extended displays, including single-screen 8K at 30 Hz or multi-screen 4K at 60 Hz resolutions via HDMI and DisplayPort outputs. Perfect for professional content creators and multitaskers, the dock offers massive expansion with 14 ports, including USB 3.2 Gen 2, 10 gigabits per second, USB-A 3.0, ultrafast SD and TF card readers, supporting simultaneous read, write, gigabit Ethernet, 1.0 megabits per second, and a 3.5mm audio jack. Power delivery is optimized with a 135-watt input and 100-watt output to charge your laptop and peripherals simultaneously, keeping you productive without interruption. Thoughtful design features like optimal heat dissipation and a compact form factor allow it to fit elegantly into any workspace. Number 2. Acasis DS9007 Thunderbolt 4 Dock. The ASUS 21-in-1 Thunderbolt hub is a premium USB-C docking station crafted from durable aluminum alloy in a sleek phantom gray finish. Designed for modern professionals, it delivers exceptional performance with 40 gigabits per second Thunderbolt 3 connectivity, enabling lightning-fast data transfers and seamless handling of high-resolution media. This versatile hub features 21 ports, including USB 3.0, 0 USB 2.0, HDMI and RJ45 Ethernet, offering extensive device compatibility for laptops and USB-C devices across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux systems. It supports up to 8K at 60 Hz video output via HDMI or Thunderbolt. Dual display limited to one video output port, while providing robust power delivery with 240 watt delivery with 240 watt input and 90 watt laptop charging to keep all your devices powered. Compact and stylish. The ASUS Hub is ideal for boosting productivity in office or home setups, compatible with MacBook Pro and a broad range of USB-C laptops. Number 1. UGREEN 25085EU Thunderbolt 4 Dock. The UGREEN 13-in-1 Thunderbolt for docking station is a powerful and versatile expansion hub designed to meet all your connectivity needs, featuring 13 ports, including dual Thunderbolt for ports with up to 40 gigabits per second data transfer speeds, display port 1.4, for HDMI 2.1 gigabit Ethernet 1.0 megabits per second. SD and TF card readers with speeds up to 312 megabytes per second, multiple USB-C and USB-A ports, 10 gigabits per second, a 3.5mm audio jack, and a 140 WDC power input. This docking station delivers seamless performance. It supports up to triple 4K at 60 Hz displays or a single 8K at 30 Hz display for Windows laptops with Mac compatibility varying by chipset. The included 140 watt GN charger powers your laptop with up to 60 watt charging while you work, eliminating the need for a separate charger, compatible with Thunderbolt 4, Thunderbolt 3, USB 4, and USB-C devices, including MacBooks, Mac OS 11.44 plus Windows 10 plus laptops and USB-C tablets. This dock enhances productivity and connectivity in a compact design. Note the dock requires connection to the charger to operate and supports multiple storage devices with recommended limits for stable performance.